Next speaker, Mr. Chairman, is Mario Reed from Public Information and Property Fraud.
Greatest of mornings to you, Chairman, and thank you for having me. My name is Mario A. Reed, and I am the Director of Public Information for the Cook County Recorder of Deeds Office. I run our fraud unit and our customer service unit. Since taking the role a little over a year ago, I have seen the office transition from playing defense to strong offense against property fraud. We have enlarged our property fraud unit and expanded our investigatory reach. We have increased our outreach efforts to now including estate planning and probate avoidance, something that saves property owners thousands of dollars. Every event we hold leads to requests of at least 2 more. And each and every day, members of the public call our office requesting more of these services, not less. Property fraud is a crime which few citizens know about until it happens to them, unfortunately. Once it does happen to them, there are few other crimes which compare to how devastatingly life-changing having your home stolen can feel. Since Karen Yarborough took office and worked diligently to create the recording fraud statute, approximately 1,346 Cook County residents have visited our fraud unit. Of those more than 1,000 potential victims, approximately 654 of them have received some form of active investigational assistance or direction from our fraud unit. Of those 654, roughly 418 of those victims have obtained written letters, correspondence, or some other form of communication from our fraud unit, which assisted them with either a speedy resolution to their legal matter or clear direction on which steps to take next. Exactly 67 of those 654 victims have received the ultimate extension of assistance from our fraud unit, which included a judgment against the wrongdoer so as to have their home returned to them, all of which costed the property owners absolutely nothing, something which previously costed thousands of dollars to the victim homeowner. I deal with people every day who have been scammed out of their homes or have had their bank accounts emptied.
1 minute.
Just this past Monday night, our office was featured on ABC 7 about investigational work in which we're doing to take down a known property fraudster. As Recorder Yarborough likes to say, the owners of big downtown buildings have armies of attorneys and lobbyists working for them. However, the average homeowner only has us. And I hate to imagine what could happen if this anti-fraud, non-core program becomes an afterthought during a consolidation with the Cook County Clerk's Office. Inevitably, so long as the state of Illinois continues to have an open land recording system, which allows for anyone to record anything against anyone else at any time,
30 seconds.
A county such as ours, which is comprised of 5.2 million residents, will forever be a breeding ground for property fraudsters to commit this type of fraud. Accordingly, as the Director of Public Information and a licensed attorney here in the great state of Illinois, I ask that you please vote against this proposal, and by doing so, vote in favor of the protection of all Cook County property owners. Thank you for having us, and please give us your consideration. Thank you.